Hi there, here's my 1-minute virtual garden tour. I live in an apartment, and so I sheet mulched a strip of the grass out front using cardboard compost and mulch to create a little planting space where I put a ceanothus, a mallow growing up a trellis, some other flowering plants with a bird bath that I try to keep water in that attracts wildlife. I had some ducks, a family of ducks come last year. Here's another ceanothus. Shout out to my compost bin over on the side there. On the front porch I have lots of succulents growing. I divided some succulents recently and have them growing in a tray over here. I'll spread them around later. I have a little terrarium project going on the side here. I have a fairy garden growing next to some strawberries. Next to the front door I have some herbs growing, as well as some avocados that grew or sprouted in that worm bin down there. I have other edibles growing on the side there, blueberries, pepino dulces, the lemon tree. Yeah, I hope to encourage you to share your garden as well.